welcome to Sana Cooks.
Welcome to Sana Cooks. Welcome back, and what's up with you guys? We're making Tunisian Kamounia, which is a liver and lamb meat sauce. It's delicious and it's spiced with cumin. That's why we call it Kamounia, from the cumin part of spices.
I'm also making the kibda.
Yeah, kibda is liver in Arabic, by the way. She's giving you some Arabic teaching. Okay, what do we want to ask them, Sarah? Can we ask them to subscribe and to give us some thumbs up? Can you
And some unicorns.
and some unicorns in the
And
comments?
lions.
Lions and unicorns in the comments, guys.
And tiger.
And tigers. You can tell them. You can just
And
look at
dinosaur.
and dinosaurs. You can just look at them and tell them what you want in your comment.
I want a unicorn, dinosaur, and tiger, and snowflake, and dinosaur, and giraffe.
Okay, so guys, please subscribe.
And
Give us
giraffe.
and giraffe. Can you ask them to subscribe?
Subscribe and thumbs up.
Yes, and comment with the unicorn.
And comment with the tiger.
Okay, and comment with the tiger. This is what Sarah is asking you. Put any question you have in the comment section, and you can also watch live with me.
Welcome to Sana Cooks.
Welcome to Sana Cooks, and please don't forget to give us some thumbs up, leave us some comment. If you have any question about the process or how to cook Tunisian food,
And also buy some unicorn toys.
so
And
guys,
lion roar.
okay, Sarah, can I talk?
No. Wait. Wait, Mama.
Are you serious?
Wait, Mama.
Okay.
Welcome to Cat Cooks.
Welcome to Sarah Cooks. Are you gonna be a cook too?
You forgot to put yours.
Yeah, I need to buy my chef costume, right?
Mommy, you can use it. You can use a miyazaki.
Oh, sure. We'll try next time. Okay. Guys, the ingredient on how to make Tunisian Kamounia, which is tomato sauce with livers, are livers, lamb livers, and lamb meat. We're gonna use some black pepper and some salt, and for the spicing we need the cumin, and the paprika, and some olive oils, and some tomato. We always cook with tomato in Tunis. Okay guys, first step, we're gonna get some oil. We're gonna start with our lamb meat. We're gonna pour it all in and start cooking the lamb on the water and on the oil. We're gonna just use a little bit of oil because lamb is kind of fatty, so it releases a lot of oil and lots of fat. And all we need at this point is some black pepper and salt. Cover your lamb and let it cook for about 20 minutes. And at that point, we're gonna be adding our tomato and our spices. Guys, we are 20 minutes in, and as you can see, my meat is almost cooked, not totally, and it's time to add my tomato. You can just pinch the meat, it's not too tender. And that's Sarah playing with her ball. So as I said, the meat is almost like halfway cooked, and I'm adding my tomato. I'm using the small canned tomato paste. Then just put my paprika. So after I added my tomato, I'm gonna keep stirring and checking and simmer for about 20 minutes. If it is too dry, because we need to keep some sauce and some consistency, we usually eat the Kammounia with bread. So if it is too dry, just add some boiling water. I have a pan of boiling water on the back, and I will show you when this is all ready. So guys,
And welcome to the Sana Cooks.
yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna add some more water because I don't have enough sauce, and my husband and kids like to dip their bread in the sauce and eat it. And at this point, I'm gonna add my liver because my meat is all cooked, my tomato is delicious. I'm gonna throw in my liver. So at this point my lamb is ready and my sauce is ready. It's been like since I added the tomato, it's been 15 minutes, and I kept it in a medium-high heat and kept adding some water to it, boiling water, and I'm gonna add my liver. And the liver doesn't usually take long to cook, so just check it out. We like ours well cooked, so that's why it's taking. Yes, I did. So we like our meat and our liver well cooked, so I'm gonna let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will try it and stop the cooking process when it is to taste. Also check your salt if you need to add some more salt, and then I will show you how it looks like. We're almost done. Hi guys, so it's been 15 minutes for my liver cooking, and now I reduced the heat because it's almost ready, as you can tell. I'm gonna add the cumin. As I said, the cumin is always at the end. You'd rather not cook it, especially when it is grounded, because it will leave some back taste in your tongue if it is too cooked. So at this point I'm turning off my heat. I'm gonna show you how we serve it, and I hope you will try it. Let me know how you like it if you do, and I don't know, do you like liver? Let us know in the comment section. So guys, we usually serve Kammounia with some fries and some fried jalapenos or hot pepper. Yes, Susu, it smells really good, and we sprinkle with onion and parsley. So just so you can see.
Oh, yum.
Is this for you, Susu?
Yeah.
Or for mommy?
Me.
You? Okay.
And I want fries.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some fries next to it.
Am I gonna put it on the big table?
Sprinkle some onion.
Yum, I like
And
onions.
some parsley.
No, I don't like it.
So this one with parsley is gonna be for me. Sarah apparently doesn't want parsley, but you know what? Parsley is so good for you, Mama.
I don't like it.
And I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you stayed this long. I'm gonna show you how we eat it with bread. Yeah, you can dip in your fries in it, or you can use it with bread. Can you show them how you eat the salsa with bread?
Okay. So you dip the sauce in the, you dip the fries in the bread, okay? Okay. Yeah, in the sauce.
Yum. Is it good, Mama?
It was perfect. If you ever ate Tunisian ketchup, it's delicious.
Yeah, he calls our sauce Tunisian ketchup. It's Tunisian sauce because you use lots of tomato
No.
and tunas.
Yeah, there's also Tunisian ketchup.
Yum.
It's so good.
Saha. Enjoy, Habibi. I'm glad you like it, guys. Susu, do you like it? Yum.
I only like ketchup
You
and
lo-
fries.
You like the liver and fries?
Yeah.
Can you tell them to subscribe and to give us some thumbs up?
Subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to push the bell button to get notification when we post next, okay?
And sing Let It Go.
And sing Let It Go. I think everybody is done singing Let It Go.
No. Come on.
Unless you have a 3 years old and then you're not done singing Let It Go.
Unless you are 7. 7 is so puppy-ish.
Popiyar? Okay.